Another day, another dollar. So guys, I caught this buy trade on Volatility75 index where I got my entries at this point. I bought from this zone, which my trade zone was between the level of 43,179 and 42,946. Because this zone is a historical level of resistance from a high time frame view that got broken and retested, now on support, which I took advantage of this retest for the buys and good profits secured on this buy trade, as my TP1, TP2 and TP3 has been smashed, over $500 profits backed, and still expecting more because I held few positions to run up to my TP4 and I'm very much safe in this trade because my stop loss is above my entry. This trade signal and trade setup was shared to my signal group, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on my 5 trade signals and on the higher probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. So I was able to catch this buy trade on this index. How then the price is going to buy from my buy zone, what was my market approach and view on this index basically. So spotting out this buy opportunity, I analyzed starting from the daily time frame. We identified this market structure, a bear structure which this index has been on for a period of time now, has created a series of lower highs and series of lower lows. This is the current phase of the market, though this index has been on a bearish phase for a long period of time here, which started from this date, the 23rd of April 2025, and this index had a price value of 140,337. So far price has declined to this point, the value of 42,946, which I expect this index to gain value in the coming days and hours, being that this index has been on a long bearish run. I expect the buys to this point at least, though this index is on a bearish structure, but a little bullish retracement or retest to this zone is expected because we've got an order block here, a bearish order block. So we could likely get a bearish continuation on price approaching this zone, but the short term buy is expected on this index. My TP4 is almost getting smashed here. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, I identified this bearish structure where price created a series of lower highs and series of lower lows, in addition to a double bottom formation formed at this point. A bullish reversal pattern, because reversal patterns are market formations that indicate a change in direction from a rising market to a falling market, or from a falling market to a rising market. So technically we had a falling market formed at the end point of this falling market, which I expect price to reverse, or a reversal from this falling market to a rising market here. So this gives me the bullish expectations on this index, and being that I expect price to buy to this zone, buy up to this zone, so I am bullish on this index, short term bullish basically, because the market is still bearish long term. You could get a bearish continuation on price approaching the level of 47,030. So the expected buys is more like a retracement or a correction. So the bearish continuation is expected basically. So on the 1-hour time frame chart, I spotted this structure, which is a bullish structure. As you can see, my TP4 has been smashed already. Nice move. My next target point on this trade is this zone, level of 44,895. So I spotted this bullish structure on the 1-hour time frame, where price created 3 higher lows. Initially it was just 2 higher lows that was formed, the first low here and the second low. So I expected the third higher low to be formed here, which I took advantage of for the buys. I also got higher highs formed at this point, about 2 higher highs. Yeah, so this is a clear bullish structure on the 1-hour time frame. Then I proceeded to identifying this historical level of resistance, which it was previously, now on support currently. Identifying the past reactions on this level, price bought as a support here, so as a resistance. We had this break retest, we got the buys, price pushed up support here, got the sales resistance here, the sales resistance here, which price eventually broke above this level. So it was on the retest of this broken historical level of resistance that I expected price to buy on the retest of this zone. So I took advantage of this retest for the buys, and I also identified an order block formed at this point on my buy zone, which aligns with this historical level of resistance, basically not on support, a bullish order block, usually base rally bullish order block pattern. So my entry point was on price testing this base, so this formation validated my entry point here. So I bought on price coming to retest this zone, though price played around on a lower time frame, but I held strongly because I expected price to buy from my buy zone, which my stop loss level was below my buy zone at this point. So far price didn't get to my SL. This trade was still valid regardless of price playing around and consolidating at this point. And for an extra confirmation on my buy zone, I brought up the Fibonacci retracement, so which I placed on this recent swing low, dragged it up to the recent swing high, and you can see clearly that the 61.8 Fib retracement level, which is the most respected Fibonacci retracement level, aligns with my expected buy zone. So this was an extra confirmation for the buy, so I just had to hold here, and price has smashed on my TP, getting very close to my next target point. This is now 44,895. Like I said, we have mobile possibilities on this index. Price is likely to buy up to this zone, the level of 47,030, and a break of this level. I would look out for more bullish structure to ride the buy to this next zone here. Or instead, I would hold iffy positions to run up to this next zone. So that's it, guys. That was able to catch this nice buy trade on Volatility75 index by just working with a simple price action market approach. Good profit backed on this buy trade, and the trade signal was shared to my signal group. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on my fire trade signals and on the higher probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. For more trade reviews like and trade breakdown, do to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, follow this page and share this video. Thank you guys, and do have a wonderful day.